Gold traded in a narrow zone throughout the day yesterday. We have discussed yesterday in both the updates that why gold may fail to break below 2035-36 levels and it may create higher lows here. We have seen on the early charts that there is a very strong support which is created at early charts and the 4-hour charts. Likewise, it has failed to break past beyond 50-52 levels as well. I hope you all profited. Now, what to expect today from gold? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. And if you're already a subscriber of the channel, do become a channel member to support the effort. Press the join button beside the subscribe icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into hourly charts, and towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the day. Now, on the hourly charts, consistently gold is creating higher lows here. We will wait for it to break again. See, one can sell here at 2042 levels, but then we have to wait for 2040, 2036 levels to get breached. Below that, we have already seen yesterday why 2030 is a stronger support. You can see this multiple candles got the support. Also, double bottom levels were seen. Also, reversal sign was seen. Thus, it has failed to break below these zone and it is just trading with the higher lows, higher highs. So, it is not to be treated bearish yet. Yes, there is a possibility that it can try to move towards 2040 or in fact 2036 levels and bounce back. Again, higher lows is what you should wait for. Only and only if it breaks below 2035, there will be further bearishness which can be expected. Now see what has happened, drop, retracement. And it is still in the retracement channel. As long as it stays within this retracement channel, it may create higher highs. Now look at, see the stochastic is looking down. MACD is consistently rising. RSI is comfortable. It has come to comfortable zone. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, one must note that this zone between 2044-42 has become a very strong support zone. Thus, we have to be watchful here in and around 2042-44 levels, certainly, and in fact below that 40 and then 2036. So these levels are going to play a major role. A drop below 2036-35 is where we can say that the prices will turn bearish. As long as these levels are respected, we have to be watchful. Now see, here also double bottom, here double top. So completely the prices are enclosed within this zone itself. Thus, it has to break either about 2050 to 55 levels or on the downside 2030. These two levels, if gold breaches pass by, then only we can confirm that it has taken a direction. Also note what has happened. Prices were divergent from the moving average. It has converged. It is just getting the resistance on the 20 period moving average. 50 and 100 period moving averages are sitting at around 54, 55. And see 50 and 100 has also crossed over. This is certainly a bearish sign. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see MACD is divergent, looking upwards, looking bullish. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. Precisely it has achieved 20 period moving average, getting the resistance here from the moving average and from the Bollinger Bands. Prices are not willing to stable. Thus again we have to wait for it to break pass by beyond 50-52 zone in order to confirm further rise. Also, one must look at how it is trading. Sharper drop, retracement, then a drop, higher lows, retracement. It is getting stronger resistance. So you can see this as a narrowing triangle. And once it breaks out either which ways, it is going to give you a stronger move. Stochastic rising. The MACD has crossed over at bottom, trading with very minimal divergence, suggests that it could retrace further on the upside. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour charts. Now on the 4 hour charts, important observation. See, first of all, 3 to 4 modest bearish candles or retracement candles after these rise, reversal sign, and then this breakout. Now this breakout, I will wait for the next candle. If the next candle also stays in green, rises on the upside, and it breaks beyond 50-55 zone, you can expect more bullishness to prevail here, where we can look forward to 2060 and plus levels. See, moving averages crossing over here, signs of bearishness, and these are divergent as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is flat near to top. MACD has seen a strong bearish move trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. And before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can be part of my 28th mentorship batch commencing 3rd week of January. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. You can find the details on my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform has much more to offer: the economic calendar, the advanced charts with advanced tools, and the community, everything is there. And yes, you can also book a call with me, schedule an appointment, and this call can be completely free if you are part of my webinar series where every Sunday we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. And if you just want to trade as per the signals on my Telegram channel, you can be part of my VIP signals channel. Reach out to me via Telegram or email. Now, look, all the links are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily chart. See, prices were divergent from the 20 period. We have seen prices converging towards the 20 period moving average and towards the Bollinger Bands. We have seen this earlier. I have mentioned that this could happen. Precisely, this is achieved. Now, also one must remember that see after the bottom, seen a rise, higher lows, and it can continue its upward journey, forming a good bullish flag formation. Thus, as long as, in fact, 2020 is one low which is achievable, but right now it appears it is getting strong support here. Now, also one must look after 4 to 5 red candles. What has happened here? It is a swing candle and it has closed in green. Now, today's candle again had started on a bullish note. It is right now giving lower highs and it can give you higher lows as well. Thus, very narrow zone we have to be cautious and watchful of. Thus, as I say, 2036 on the downside, 2052 on the upside. This $16 one has to remain cautious and watchful of. Yes, one can initiate a selling entry at 2042, but then remember 2040, 2038, 2036, 35. These are going to be the support levels very nearby, 20 pips gap, and thus you need to put a trailing stop loss of 20 pips and then ensure that as long as 2035 is respected, you have to be cautious. Prices may reverse any point of time. You have to keep booking profits and keep re-entering here. And on the upside now, see, we have seen earlier, we have seen today 2048 you can buy, but then 2050, 2052, very good resistance here. And then 55 levels. These three levels are going to play a major role. Once the prices are seen trading above 2055, you can say that we are looking forward to a stronger move towards 2060. And from here, the reversal might start in gold where prices can continue to scale towards higher highs. The stochastic has hit a bottom. MACD, now see, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, 3 bearish candles here. Remember one more point here, that see the twin peaks, and after that it is just trading in this zone here. We have to be watchful. RSI flat, thus buy at 2048, but be careful as long as 2050, 52, and in fact I will include 2055 as well. Three levels, as long as it respects, you have to put a trailing stop loss. On the downside, 2035, as long as it respects, you have to be careful. And then 2030, if it breaks below 2030, certainly we can look forward to 2020 directly. Take positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel, and join the webinar series. Reach out to me via Telegram or email, or join my free Telegram channel, or visit the platform forexfunder.com for more details. Thank you very much.